Welcome to the Problem Solving Pocketbook, packed with everything you'll need to solve math problems.
What are strategies? Strategies are tools or things you can do to help you find the answer to a problem. Just as construction workers use many tools to help them complete the building of a house, many students use a combination of strategies to solve a math problem. Strategy 1 is draw a picture. Sometimes just drawing a picture of what the problem is about can help you find the answer. For example, each tree has 3 apples. If there are 7 trees, how many apples are there in all? Strategy 2 is to look for a pattern. Looking for a pattern within a problem can be helpful in trying to solve it. Let's look for a pattern in the following. Solve for the next 3 places. 2, 7, 12, 17, 22, blank, blank, blank. Are these flowers presented in a pattern? Strategy 3 is to make a table or list. Organizing the information given in a problem can help you to understand what you need to do to get an answer. A good way to organize information or data is to put it into a table or a list. For example, a fruit machine accepts dollars and each piece of fruit costs 65 cents. If the machine will only give nickels, dimes, and quarters back, what combination of those coins are possible for your change from a dollar? Strategy 4 is guess and check. Sometimes the only way to get an answer to a problem is to simply take some good guesses at possible answers and then check to see if you got any of them correct. Use the guess and check strategy to solve the following. The product of 2 consecutive even numbers is 1088. What are the integers? Strategy 5 is to work backwards. Working backwards in a problem can be a really good way to find the answer. Look at the equation below. Work backwards to solve for n. Strategy number 6 is the bar model method. In the bar model method, we use rectangular bars to represent the relationship between known and unknown numerical quantities. Solve problems related to these quantities. For example, 253 children took part in an art competition. There were 134 girls. How many boys were there? We know the whole and we know one part. To find the missing part, we just need to subtract 253 minus 134. Is there more? What else? Well, here are some other strategies for problem solving. Think about each one. Have you ever used any of these? Solve another problem, use logical reasoning, and act it out. So let's review. Arriving at answers to math problems is easier when you use strategies. Strategies are tools that help you to find an answer. Sometimes you can use more than one strategy at a time. Some problem-solving strategies are draw a picture, look for a pattern, make a table or list, guess and check, work backwards, the bar model method, solve another problem, use logical reasoning, and act it out. Next time you are presented with a math problem, solve it using one or more of your new strategies.